Hi, I'm Adit, and I'm here to talk about our work, which is investigating the user experience and challenges of food delivery applications for the blind and visually impaired. So, the food delivery market in the US is projected to grow to $165 billion by 2029, and yet research has only begun understanding the patterns exhibited by the general population, much less the patterns exhibited by the blind and visually impaired community or the BVI community. And so through our work, we aim to answer certain research questions, starting with how do BVI users use food delivery services? How accessible are the food delivery applications to the BVI community? And what challenges do BVI users encounter while experiencing these food delivery services? Related works are mostly based on food delivery services for the general population, accessibility of mobile applications for BVI users, and other online shopping services present for BVI users. So most prior research is aimed generally at the regular consumer than the BVI users, and they focus mainly on the consumer commercial aspects of food delivery. While many studies look into mobile accessibility, they usually explore accessibility on a larger scale with the general population. These works have generated numerous guidelines and accessibility frameworks based on their findings. And apart from this, a few studies that review usability and accessibility of certain food delivery services. Most studies that have been conducted are based on online shopping for BVI users. These studies explore factors such as accessibility and compare navigation of physical space with a virtual environment for BVI users. So in this study, we used two major methods to uncover findings. First was conducting a survey using Google Forms with 166 participants. The 10-minute survey is focused mainly on the types of services the participants use and the general user experiences. Using the survey, we recruited 12 participants who we invited for semi-structured interviews. These were 30 to 60-minute long interviews conducted remotely through the Zoom platform. Our findings are split into three main parts. First, starting with participant demographics and usage patterns for food delivery applications. And we split into various food delivery applications the participants used and the frequency in which they were used. Then we look at accessibility issues with fetching food delivery orders. Users mentioned they face certain issues while fetching their orders because it's problems locating the order, contacting delivery personnel regarding the order, and inaccessibility of tracking tools such as maps. They also mentioned the need to frequently contact customer support to resolve these issues can be challenging for BVI users. It's because they need to upload pictures and find the right buttons and text fields to report their problems they're facing. Users mostly found the delivery apps to be too complex to work with their screen readers or accessibility tools efficiently. Another common issue is lack of alternative text for the UI elements. And with every update, users reported that the features that were used sparingly faced accessibility issues due to broken workflows and features in general. Coming to improving the usability and accessibility of food delivery applications, we have certain recommendations, such as inclusion of adequate text descriptions for UI components can improve user experience in general. Adhering to a set of guidelines when it comes to accessibility can ensure consistency and familiarity and improve overall user experience, since new interfaces can require BVI users to relearn and adapt, which can cause certain challenges. And when it comes to the logistics itself, delivery personnel should be trained to handle orders from BVI users and wait till the order has been picked up and wait for the pickup confirmations to ensure smoother user experiences. Allowing alternate modes of handling customer support issues, such as using voice-based feedback instead of images, can prove useful for BVI users. And in conclusion, we conducted a user survey and interviews to understand the issues and challenges faced by BVI users while using food delivery services. And we hope that our research help uncover accessibility challenges that can be addressed to help the BVI community use these applications better in the future. Thank you.